Hello, this is Matilda and welcome to my YouTube channel Matilda Tour. Actually, this is my first time I'm doing this, but I prefer to share my experience about going to the Siem Reap International Airport from the city center, because this airport is around 50 kilometers far from the city center, so maybe it's kind of challenging, and especially if you are like me and you're traveling on budget, so it's important how to come to here. And of course I should mention that English is not my mother language, so sorry for my bad English sometimes. Okay, for coming here, you have three options. So I asked at first point, I asked my hostel about how much is the price for coming here. So they said $20, and I was like, I'm not gonna pay $20 for coming here. So I checked my darling, ChatGPT, and asked her about the what is my option to come here, and there are three options. First, you can just use Grab, and it's around maybe $15-16, and also there is another option. Of course, I should mention that even I checked Pass app because it's usually cheaper than Grab, but still it was same, almost $15. So there is another option, using tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk was almost same, $13. So and there is the third option, that it's using the shuttles, airport shuttles, that you can take the tickets. They have different office in city center, and you can take ticket of them. It's around $8, but there is another things that from my hostel I need to take tuk-tuk to their office, and then from there take shuttle to the airport. So it would be something around $9 to $10. So I just walking yesterday in city and see some agencies, and I asked them, do you have any shuttle to airport? And yes, they had shuttle, like van, and they pick up from hostel, and it's around $9. And so you can go to the city center and you can ask them. They have van, like they give you some paper like this, and it's around $9 to come to the airport. And then it takes time around an hour to come to here, but usually if it's for international flight, you need to be 2 or 3 hours ahead, be in the airport. So they have a specific pickup time, so they picked me up from the hostel around 4 hours ago, and now I'm here. And Siem Reap airport, it's an international airport, but it's pretty cozy airport, really tiny one, especially compared Istanbul airport, maybe I can say that big size in compare of Istanbul airport. So this is the my whole point of this video. It's about the Siem Reap Airport, how to come here, and then if you don't mind about the money and you don't have a, you are not traveling on budget, so Grab is the best option here, or Pass app, it's another application here, so you can take it and come here whenever you want. But if you are like me and you're doing backpacker, this van is the best option because you don't need to carry your backpack and then going to the another office and then take shuttle to here. So it's just $9. Of course it's too much for coming here because you can take just a bus to another city, it's around $9, but there is another option, cheaper one. So that's it. I had one great month in Cambodia, and now I'm heading to the next destination, to Malaysia. Let's see how it goes there. I'm sure it will be really enjoying a nice trip over there too. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.